Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Wants get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I want to thank everyone in advance for that thumbs up. Guys, I share with you all the time how much I love getting weekend deliveries. So I'm trying to squeeze this into our schedule this weekend before I run out. So I want to make sure to get this filmed so that I can be able to share this with you guys, because we got some amazing packages over the weekend and I cannot wait to share. So the first item that we got was actually two of them were from Boxycharm, but one of them was my charm order. And I don't know about you, but when we used to have a blocked time of when our charm orders would show up, that we could shop there, there was always so much to choose from. But now there doesn't seem to be a lot of items that are in the charm room. And when I finally saw a couple of things that I would be interested in, I grabbed two of the same item. And the item that I'm talking about now is from Ahava. Excuse me, I'm having a tearing eye, and I think it's because I'm trying to rush everything through. So this one here, I ended up getting two of them. So this package I'm really excited about because, as you know, I really enjoy the Ahava brand. This was a total of $32. These were, I think, $16 each one. But this is the charm room, and the charm room, everything is the full retail price. And how you gain charms is when we do our reviews, we end up being able to get charms, and then you can use these charms in the charm room to get free product. And that's what I ended up doing. So I ended up picking up two of these just to start using some of my charms, because I haven't been seeing anything in the charm room. So please share with me if you know when's the best time or when they restock. I would love to know that, because we used to know that when the DropShop closed, the charm room would open and it would be stocked. And now that it's open 24/7 all the time, I'm finding that maybe we're lucky if there's like a half a dozen products in there. So if you know, please share. So this one here was, like I said, the $32 would have been the full value. They still charge that $1.99 shipping, but everything was free. So I ended up getting these two packages home for $4.23. And just so you should know what this is the natural 8.5 ounce Dead Sea bath salts. And they're saying about this, they're saying immerse yourself into the Dead Sea healing waters at home for a completely unique restorative experience. The nutrients and the minerals that help reset your skin's inner balance will ensure every bath leaves you feeling refreshed with incredibly soft skin. They're saying you can pour the entire packet of the Dead Sea salt into warm bath water and then soak for 20 minutes. And then they suggest that you can then shower off. And then they're saying also you can rest for half an hour after that. So it says you just have to make sure that this is really something that is going to change your feelings of anxiety and all of that. It really brings you down. So it's important to wash it off and then really rest right afterwards. So usually, I can't remember if I've used this one in particular, but I don't usually use the whole package, but they're saying, you know, that's their suggestion. I personally think there's a lot in here that you can get more than a couple of uses out of it. So that's the first box that came. The next box that arrived was the one that was a PR package. And this I already showed on my Instagram, and I'm so excited to be able to share this with you because I have shared with you how much I enjoy the REN skincare. So it came in this gorgeous box. When I opened it up, it looks like that, you know, I'm so used to watching all these other girls who get PR open up these gorgeous packages, but this is what this one is here. So like I said, I've already shared this on Instagram. This is the box that was inside here, but I have been using this product because it is phenomenal. I share with you all the time how much I love the REN skincare line. What this one is a smooth prep plump essence. And as you can see, I've been using this now for about 4 or 5 days, day and night, and you need so little of this. If you're not familiar with essences, they are so scrumptious. I got introduced to essences from a really expensive brand called Tatcha, and I think I ended up spending over like $100 and something for a kit that included that essence, and that essence alone, because this item here is around $55, but you need so little that you will see the difference in your skin. What essences do, and what I find it's done for me, is this is the next thing that you do after you cleanse your skin. And you put this on, but you don't use a cotton swab for this. You simply put a little bit into your hand, and you can see there's a little dropper. You drop a little bit. Now this essence, what's really unique about it is it's not like a lot of them that I have used feel exactly like water. This one has more of a serum in it. And this item here, when you put it on, you put a little bit of 2 drops in your hand, and then you pat it into your skin, and then you let it sit in there and absorb. Then anything you use on top of it, like all of your skincare or any of that, you will definitely feel the difference. The actual skincare, they're saying, will penetrate deeper into your skin, and it will allow the skincare that you put on top of this to behave and act better. So I have been using essences since I got introduced to them, but like I said, this one is a little bit more unique. It has a little bit more of a serum to it, and it's not just feeling like straight water. So that is absolutely fantastic. And if you're not familiar with the REN skincare brand, this was developed in 2000, and it was developed by a woman who created it. She actually lives in London, and she said she formulates every day her beauty products were causing her sensitive skin to react. She wanted to turn to natural skincare, then she discovered that nothing really worked. And if it did, it didn't work for long. She recognized she needed to change something within the beauty industry for skincare that will deliver gentle yet effective results. And she uses bioactive ingredients to do that, as well as the natural ingredients. And that's why we're seeing more benefits out of this clean skincare than you would through others. So just so you know, this one here is cruelty free, it's vegan. This is 100 ml, and it said it will instantly smooth and plump with the essences that are proven to boost the benefits of our skin to help strengthen the skin barrier. And this has bio-fermented microbial extracts. And again, this instantly plumps, and it's just absolutely fantastic, and I'm enjoying it so much. So if you see this product, or if this is something of interest to you, I would definitely highly recommend it to put it on your wants list. So here, let me just do an up close here of the card that was inside here, but what I really want to show you is the before and afters, and that is unbelievable. So that is what I wanted to share with you. So this is the other information that is on here. So if you want to look at that, you can look at that as well. All right, and then the next box that I received was another Boxycharm box, and this is one of the orders that I placed in the DropShop. And what's great about this is I normally try to do the daily deals with you guys, and I couldn't find them anywhere. And it was through one of our fantastic subscribers to True Wants, also follows me on Instagram as well. And she sent me a DM where she was able to find where I can find them. She sent it to me, and then I was able to do that video for all of us. But at that time, I already placed one of my orders on the DropShop right at the beginning because I had a coupon. And the reason I had a coupon, and I ended up getting 3 coupons in the month of January, because I have 4 paid boxes on my channel, and 3 of them had duplicate items in them. So I had 3 different coupons that I had to use, and you can't combine them either. So what I ended up doing was, when I saw the daily deals, I shared with you that the item that I got ended up being a better deal during the daily deals, because I think you were going to be able to get 2 of this item that I'm going to show you for the price of what I paid in the daily deal. So I still got a great deal, but I could have got a phenomenal deal if I would have known about the daily deals and waited. And the item that I'm talking about was this fantastic kit by Natasha Denona. And this one is called the Valentine's Day Kit. This I ended up paying $15 for, and it was a $27 value. And it says, celebrate the love with this Valentine's Day set from Natasha Denona. It says, create dreamy romantic looks with this mini crush eyeshadow palette inspired by the cult favorite Love palette. Plus, it has pro quality blending brush, which I'll show you. And it says it's made with silky soft synthetic bristles. And then it has 5 ultra pigmented shadows. in purples, pinks, as well as reds. And then if you can blend them together, and it will create that perfect harmony. It says, use the brush to apply the shadows to the crease, the lid, and the brows. For a bolder payoff, pat the metallic shades into the lid with your finger. So again, this was $15, but I had that $6 coupon. So I ended up getting charged also that $1.99 for this package as well. So I got this home for $11.62. But I really remember that when I saw during the daily deals, there were 2 of these exactly the same. So I would have been able to have one and then one for a giveaway for the same price. So this is the beautiful, beautiful palette here. And this is the brush that came with it. It is a gorgeous brush. I didn't end up using this brush, but I should have. I completely forgot about it when I was doing my makeup. It has a gorgeous cylinder. It says the Natasha Denona on it as well. And it is a fantastic, fantastic blending brush. You would think no less from a Natasha Denona, but this is such a perfect, perfect gift for so many. So this is one of her mini palettes. And like they mentioned, it's from a larger palette of hers. And this is how gorgeous the shades are in here. And what I did was I went all over my lid with this color. I went above my crease line, which is how I make my eyes, I feel, look larger. And then I deepened up the outside of the my V with this item here, and then I tried to put a little bit of this in the center of my eye. I used my highlighter, which was an Alamar highlighter, to give me a little bit more of a brightness, dead center in the, not dead center, in the corner of my eye here. So let me just swatch these for you so you guys will see, but I'll show you up close. And I'm also using that Uma gorgeous, gorgeous mascara that I cannot get enough of. And this is what it looks like here. So it's a beautiful, beautiful palette, and it's really, really pigmented, so you need very, very little. But let me just do a couple of the swatches. These are the 3 mattes. Do you see how gorgeous these colors are? So when I saw this, normally I try my best not to buy anything in the DropShop because I get so much, but sometimes you'll see things in here that I've never seen in boxes. Please share with me if you have, because I have not. And then this is the shade that I used in the center of my eye. And then this color I did not use yet, so I cannot wait to play with it. So those are the 2 shimmer shades that are in here. And as you can see, the pigmentation on this is beyond gorgeous. So you can always deepen this up, you know, by spraying your brushes or getting more of that shimmer by deepening it up also with the setting sprays as well. But this gave me gorgeous without any setting sprays or anything like that. So that's everything that I wanted to share with you guys today. But it was fun getting these packages on the weekend. And like I said, we ended up getting these 2 items for free just based on doing reviews. I ended up getting this fantastic kit at a phenomenal, phenomenal price because I had that $6 coupon. So on top of it being an amazing deal in the deals, I even got a better deal with that $6 coupon. And if you get those coupons, I always just want to make sure that you know it includes free shipping, which I didn't know at the beginning, but it does. And so what's great about that is I could just buy this item, which is what I did, and then just check out. So it is fantastic that I was able to get this home for just over $11. And then of course, this beautiful, beautiful PR package from REN with this phenomenal, phenomenal product that, like I said, I have been using this for about 4 days, day and night now, and I've used so little, but it is so, so fantastic. I am so impressed with this REN skincare line, and I want to thank them for sending this over. But like I said, I don't have to share about the product. I choose to, because when I like something, I want you guys to know about it as well. And like I said, I've already posted this on Instagram earlier when it arrived, but I wanted to make sure that if I was going to do a video, to make sure to incorporate this to share it with you guys, because I was totally impressed with it as well. And that's it for today, guys. So everybody, enjoy your weekend, and I will see you all soon again in my next video. Take care, everybody, and bye for now.